Dear students, last class we discussed differentiation of function of a function or composite function. This function will be of the type function to the power of n, sine of function, e power function, root of function, log of function, e power function, like that. In place of x we will have a function. Function may be anything which will be in x. You, according to the discussion held in last class, you see I am just repeating the standard forms. You check the slide. The first standard form is y is equal to function to the power of n. This is differentiated by using n into function to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of function. It can be taken according to x to the power of n, as we know that x to the power of n whose derivative is n into x to the power of n minus 1. Here function to the power of n whose derivative is n into function to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of function. Next standard form, sine of function, sin x. What is differentiation of sin x? It is cos x. Like that, differentiation of sin x is cos x. Based on that, differentiation of function, sine of function, differentiation of sine of function, sine differentiation is cos, therefore cos function into d by dx of function, d by dx of function. Then the third one, a root function. What is derivative of root x? It is 1 by 2 root x. According to that, differentiation of root function is 1 by 2 root of function into d by dx of function. Differentiation of root function is what? 1 by 2 root of function into d by dx of function. I have given examples also in the last class. I am showing the standard forms only. Based on that, we will work out more number of problems. You take the fourth one. Fourth standard form is what? E to the power of function. Differentiation of e to the power of x is what? E to the power of x only. According to that, differentiation of e to the power of function is e to the power of function into d by dx of function. Then log of function. You take log x, differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x. Based on that, differentiation of log function. Log function is 1 by function into d by dx of function. You see the highlighted part, differentiation of log function is 1 by function into d by dx of function. Check next one, 1 by function to the power of n. So as we know that differentiation of 1 by x is what? Differentiation of 1 by x is minus n into x to the power of n plus 1. According to that, 1 by function to the power of n whose derivative is minus n divided by function to the power of n plus 1 into d by dx of function. Next, for inverse functions, d by dx of sin inverse x is what? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. According to that, if it is of the form sin inverse of function, then whose derivative is taken like this: sin inverse function 1 by root of 1 minus function square into d by dx of function. So based on that, we can use all other inverse trigonometric functions. Take the examples. Differentiate the following with respect to x by combining all the standard forms. First one, it is of which form? It is function to the power of n. It is function to the power of n. Function to the power of n. Its derivative is what? N into function to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of function. D by dx of function. Based on that, I have taken what is n? N is function, that is 6 divided by 7. 6 by 7 into function to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of function. What is function? 5x square plus 7x minus 4. Then this is taken as it is only we have to differentiate the function itself. Differentiation of function includes 5x square plus 7x minus 4. What is differentiation of x square? 2x, 2 into 5 is 10x plus 7 into x, differentiation of x is 1, and 4, it is a numerical constant whose derivative is 0, right. Then finally, it will become here the function to the power of n minus 1, which is simplified using take LCM method. What is LCM here? 7 is LCM, 7 is LCM, therefore 6 minus 7, that is 1 by 7, other things are taken as it is, and differentiation of the function is 10x minus plus 7, it is again taken as it is. You take here function to the power of n form. What is n? 5, function to the power of 5 minus 1 into d by dx of function. D by dx of function is what? Differentiation of sin x is cos x plus differentiation of x cos x. How to differentiate x into cos x? It is of u into v method, formula product rule. Keep according to that, first function is u into differentiation of v plus v into differentiation of u, u is what? X, differentiation of cos x plus cos x into differentiation of x, other things are taken as it is, x is taken as it is, differentiation of cos, that is minus sin x, plus keep cos x as it is, differentiation of x is 1, that is cos x plus into minus x sin x plus cos x into 1 is cos x. This will be the simplified form. Again, it is based on function to the power of n. You see the third example. What is third example? Y is equal to secant to the power of 3x. It is taken as secant x to the power of 3, function to the power of n. What is derivative? N into secant to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of function is secant x. Therefore, this 3 secant square x into differentiation of secant x is secant x into tan x, that we have to write here 3 into secant square into differentiation of secant is what? Secant into tan. Finally, it will become 3 into secant square into secant. Secant square into secant is what? Secant cube into secant cube x into tan x. You observe the fourth one, y is equal to e to the power of 5x minus tan root x. Here two rules or two standard forms are included. The first one is e to the power of function. The first one is e to the power of function minus second one is tan of function, e to the power of function and tan of function. How to differentiate tan of function and e to the power of function as we known earlier. First differentiate e to the power of function. E to the power of function is e to the power of function into differentiation of function. What is function? 5x minus differentiation of tan function. Differentiation of tan function is what? Secant square of function into d by dx of function. E to the power of 5x into differentiation of 5x is what? 5 into 1, that is 5 minus secant square root x is taken as it is, and find the derivative of root x. Differentiation of root x is what? 1 by 2 root x. Combining these 5 e to the power of 5x minus secant square root x divided by 2 root x. Check the fifth problem. How it is appears? It appears in the form of u into v. U into v. What is u? U is equal to 4 minus 3x plus x square whole to the power of 2, and v is sin x. It is of uv method. it is of uv method. How to be differentiate this product? We have to use the product rule, u into this is u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u, that is u. What is u? 4 minus 3x plus x square into d by dx of what? V plus v into differentiation of u. U, it is again it is of the form function to the power of n. This is function to the power of n. We should not differentiate this, we have to keep as it is. Only d by dx of sin x we have to take. Differentiation of sin x is cos x plus keep sin x as it is. Differentiation of this, it is of function to the power of n, function to the power of n. What is derivative of this? N into function to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of function. So, function is 4 minus 3x plus x square, n is what? 2, n into function to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of function. The other terms are taken as it is, only we need to differentiate the last term, that is d by dx of 4 minus 3x plus x square. Differentiation of 4 is what? 0. Differentiation of 3x is minus 3 into 1 plus differentiation of x square is 2x. Finally, it reduces to 4 minus 3x plus x square whole square cos x plus sin x into this is 2 and is multiplied with the whole bracket, 2 into 4 8, 2 into minus 3 minus 6, 2 into x square, that is 2x square into this bracket minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 2x. It is tan inverse of function. What is differentiation of tan inverse x? It is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So, based on this, tan inverse of function is there. In place of x we have to take function. See, 1 by 1 plus function square into d by dx of function. So, differentiation of function x by a is constant, therefore, we have to keep 1 by a as it is and differentiation of x is equal to 1. Finally, it can be simplified by LCM method. So, 1 plus x square by a square is equal to, take a square as LCM, a square into a square plus x square into 1 by x. So, this a and a can be cancelled and this a is taken to the numerator, the a divided by a square plus x square. This is again sum or difference of 2 or 3 functions and it is of combinations of 2-3 standard forms. Y is equal to cos square x plus e power minus x into sin of 1 minus 4x. How to differentiate this? Let us take first differentiation of cos square plus then we have to differentiate e power minus x into sin of 1 minus 4x. You take differentiation of cos square x. Cos square x is taken as what? Cos x whole square, that is function to the power of n, function to the power of n, n into function to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of function. This is for cos square x, n is what? 2 into function is what? Cos x to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of cos x. Next, how to differentiate the other term, that is e power a minus x into sin of 1 minus 4x. You have to take it as product rule, u into v. So, u is e power minus x and v is sin of 1 minus 4x. Keep u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. So, in place of u we have to write e power minus x, in place of v we have to write sin of 1 minus 4x. Differentiation of sin of 1 minus 4x, we have to keep e power minus x as it is. Differentiation of sin of function, differentiation of sin of function is what? It is minus cos of function, cos of function into d by dx of function. What is function? 1 minus 4x plus keep v as it is, you keep v as it is, differentiate e power minus x. Differentiation of e power minus x is e power minus x into differentiation of minus x, it is function, e power function. Differentiation of e power function is e power function into d by dx of function. Then this is minus 2 cos x into sin x plus into minus minus e power minus x into cos of 1 minus 4x, then differentiation of 1 is 0 minus differentiation of x is 1, it is 4 into 1 plus keep sin of 1 minus 4x as it is. Here e power minus x is taken as it is, differentiation of minus x, differentiation of minus x is what? Minus 1. Hence, it will reduce us to minus 2 cos x into sin x. This is minus 4, minus 4 is multiplied to this minus e power minus x, that is minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus 4 into 1 is 4, 4 e power minus x into cos of 1 minus 4x minus 1 is multiplied with plus 1, it will become minus sin of 1 minus 4x into d by dx of e power minus x. So, this is also of the same type, function to the power of n minus tan of function. This is function to the power of n plus function to the power of n. I am going fast because so I am illustrated such problems already, just I am scanning these slides. Y is equal to sin of 4x minus log of tan x plus cos inverse of x square. It is of u, it is of u plus or minus of v and it is w, sum or difference of many functions. Differentiate sin 4x, differentiate sin 4x, differentiation of sin cos 4x, it is function, differentiation of 4x minus log of function, it is log function is what? 1 by function, 1 by function into d by dx of function, function is what? Tan x plus cos inverse of x square, cos inverse of function differentiation is what? It is minus 1 by root of, it is 1 by root of 1 minus function square into d by dx of function, function is what? X square. So, cos 4x is taken as it is, differentiation of 4x is what? 4 into 1 minus 1 by tan x into differentiation of tan x is secant square x plus into minus is minus 1 divided by this is root of 1 minus x square whole square is x to the power of 4 into differentiation of x square is what? It is 2x. Finally, we can write it as 4 into cos x, 4 is taken here minus 1 by tan is what? 1 by tan is cot x into secant square x minus 1 into 2 is what? 2x divided by 1 minus 4 x to the power of 4, we have to put it in root. Take the next problem, it is of what? Root of function plus e power function minus cot of function, this is root of function, this is e power function and this is cot of function. So, let us differentiate each term individually. Root of tan x, tan inverse x, root function 1 divided by 2 root of function into d by dx of function. What is function? Tan inverse x plus e power tan inverse x, again e to the power of function. Differentiation of e to the power of function is what? E to the power of function into d by dx of function, again here function is tan inverse x, minus cot of function. Differentiation of cot x is what? Minus cosecant square x, right. So, according to that, cot function differentiation is minus cosecant square function into d by dx of function. So, wherever we have d by dx, that is to be differentiated, other things are taken as it is. So, 1 by 2 root of tan inverse x into differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square, plus keep e to the power of tan inverse x as it is, differentiation of tan inverse x, again it is 1 by 1 plus x square, minus into minus plus cosecant square of a x into differentiation of a x. Differentiation of a x is what? A into 1. Then it is 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square, I have taken first, then root of tan inverse x, plus this is combined e power tan inverse x into 1, e power tan x divided by 1 plus x square, plus a into 1, a is constant, it is taken first, a into cosecant inverse a x. Again it is u into v, both u and v are of function to the power of n. This one is function into another function x into sine to the power of 5 tan x. Basically it is of what form? It is of u into v. See, u is x, v is sine to the power of 5 8x. Use product rule, u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. So, keep u as it is, differentiation of sine 8x to the power of 5 plus keep sine 8x to the power of 5 as it is and differentiate x. This differentiation, it is of what? Function to the power of n. Function to the power of n differentiation is n into function to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of function. What is function? Differentiation of function is sine of function, plus keep sine 8x to the power of 5 as it is, differentiation of x is what? Differentiation of x is 1. Then x into 5 sine 8x to the power of 5 minus 1, 4, differentiation of sine. Differentiation of sine is what? Cos function. It is sine function, therefore, we have to write cos function into differentiation of function. What is function here? 8x plus 1 into sin 8x to the power of 5 is sin 8x to the power of 5. Differentiation of tan 8x, differentiation of 8x is 8 into 1, that is done here. So, other things you have to write as it is. So, 5 into 8x differentiation is what? 8x differentiation is 8 into 1, that is reflected here. So, 5 into x into sin 8x to the power of 4 into cos 8x into 8 plus sin to the power of 5 8x. 8 into 5, this 8 into this 5 is taken as 40 into x into sin to the power of 4 8x into cos 8x plus sin to the power of 5 8x. This is also u into v method, x to the power of 3 into sin of cos x. You take another important problem, y is equal to 1 plus tan 2x divided by 1 minus tan 2x. It is next question is y is equal to 1 plus tan 2x divided by 1 minus tan 2x, it is 2x. So, it is of what form? It is u by v method, u Hello. You take next example, y is equal to sin inverse x divided by root of 1 minus x square. It is of what form? This is of u by v form. I mentioned earlier, this composite function includes all the rules of differentiation, product rule, quotient rule, sum or difference rule, constant into function. You check, it is u by v method. Therefore, what the quotient rule says? It is v into d by dx of u minus u into d by dx of v divided by v square. Then keep 1 by root of 1 minus x square as it is. Differentiation of sin inverse x. Differentiation of sin inverse x is what? 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Differentiation of sin inverse x is what? 1 by root of 1 minus x square minus keep sin inverse x as it is. Differentiation of root of 1 minus x square. It is of what? It is a root function. It can be differentiated according to the standard form root function. Differentiation of root x is 1 by root x. According to that, differentiation of root function is 1 divided by 2 root of function into d by dx of function. 1 by 2 root of 1 minus x square into differentiation of 1 minus x square all divided by this root and square cancel. We will have 1 minus x square. The next slide we will, this is again cancelled, 1 by root of 1 minus x square, root of 1 minus x square, remaining is what? 1 minus, see 1 minus this sin inverse x is taken as it is. Differentiation of this 1 minus x square, differentiation is what? 1 differentiation 0 and 2 x square differentiation is 2x. Again 1 minus 2x is minus 2x, this 2 get cancelled. Finally, it will have 1, this minus of minus become plus, this become plus, x into sin inverse x divided by 1 by x square, 1 by this root of 1 minus x square is taken here, whole divided by 1 minus x square. Again if you want, you can take LCM. What is LCM? Here is 1 denominator, it is 1, therefore root of 1 minus x square is LCM, then root of 1 minus x square plus x into sin inverse x. Otherwise, you can take it to the denominator, it is of root of 1 minus x square into 1 minus x square. Numerator is what? Root of 1 minus x square plus x into sin inverse x. This we have already done in the last class. U to the power of again u by v method. There are other important problems to discuss. I am going to skip those problems. You see this one, y is equal to sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. We have to prove that dy by dx is equal to 2 divided by 1 plus x square. So, the answer may be obtained by using our regular method, like it is treated as sin inverse function. Otherwise, we can go for substitution method. If you go for substitution method, definitely you will get the answer in 1 or 2 steps. You might have remember the compound angle formula. There we know that 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta can be taken as tan square theta can be taken as sin 2a, sin 2 theta. So, that we have to recall here. Therefore, what we have to do? We have to take x is equal to tan theta. Wherever we have x, you put tan theta. If I take x is equal to tan theta, then finally I need theta, therefore, it is to be taken in terms of theta. When x is equal to tan theta, then theta becomes what? It is tan inverse x. It will be required at the end. Okay. I am just substituting x is equal to tan theta. Then therefore, the problem reduces to y is equal to sin inverse of 2 into x, that is 2 tan theta, divided by 1 plus x square, that is 1 plus tan square theta. Finally, it will be standard form 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is taken as sin 2 theta. See, I have given the formula also. Sin 2a is what? 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. So, it can be taken sin 2 theta, right. Therefore, this become what? Sin inverse of sin 2 theta. As we know that sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta only. Sin inverse of sin theta is what? It is theta only. Hence, sin inverse of sin, it will remains only 2 theta. What is theta? Theta is tan inverse x. I said earlier this is required at the end. So, I have taken in place of theta as tan inverse x. You differentiate this 2 tan inverse x dy by dx is equal to 2 into differentiation of tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. Finally, it is 2 by 1 plus x square, that is our proof. Same type we can prove for cos inverse also. So, what is y? Problem is what? Y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Here we need to prove that dy by dx is equal to 2 divided by 1 plus x square. Here also we have to take x is equal to tan theta. So, then theta becomes what? Theta become tan inverse x. Substitute in the problem y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus what is x? X is equal to tan theta, therefore, it will become tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. As we know that cos 2a is equal to 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. According to that, I will take cos inverse of this is taken as cos 2 theta, right. Cos inverse of cos 2 theta, it will become 2 theta because cos inverse of cos theta is equal to theta only. According to that, we can take it as cos inverse of cos 2 theta is 2 theta. Here we need theta value. So, theta is taken as tan inverse x. Therefore, 2 tan inverse x, 2 into tan inverse x differentiation is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. Finally, we will be reduced to 2 divided by 1 by 1 plus x square. Similar problem is worked out on tan. So, let the problem is y is equal to tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Prove that dy by dx is what? 2 divided by 1 plus x square. Again we have to take x is equal to tan theta, therefore, theta become what? Tan inverse x. You substitute in place of x tan theta, y is equal to tan inverse of 2 x, x is what? Tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. This 2 tan a minus 1 minus tan square a is what? It is tan 2a, therefore, it becomes what? Tan inverse of tan 2 theta. Finally, it is 2 theta, therefore, 2 theta is 2 into tan inverse x, differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square, hence it is 2 divided by 1 plus x square. There is another problem, y is equal to tan inverse of 1 plus x square by 1 minus x square. Prove that 2x divided by 1 plus x to the power of 4. Here we can go according to general rule, or you can also go for substitution method by taking as x square is equal to tan they in that also we can prove. Otherwise, if you want to prove it in general method, I have shown purposefully using general method, it is taken as tan inverse of function. Differentiation of tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square, right. So, according to that, here tan inverse function is 1 by 1 plus function square into d by dx of function. Here I will take square on both numerator and denominator, 1 plus x square whole square divided by 1 minus x square whole square. This is differentiated using quotient rule, u divided by v, u divided by v. So, quotient rule says that v into v into d by dx of u minus u into d by dx of v divided by v square. For this I can take LCM, that is here is 1 minus x square whole square is LCM, therefore, it will reduce us to what, and here we have to differentiate, right. See, I have taken LCM here, 1 minus x square whole square is LCM, therefore, 1 minus x square whole square plus 1 plus x square whole square will be the answer. Differentiation of 1 0, differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of 1 0 minus 2x, that is shown here. Then it is taken, this one is taken to numerator, right. Otherwise, you can cancel this with this, you cancel this and this without taking here. 0 plus 2x is 2x, 2x is multiplied with the bracket, 2x is multiplied with the bracket, right. 2x into 1, this is 2x minus x square into 2x, that is minus 2x cube, and minus 2x is again multiplied with this bracket, this minus into minus plus 1 into 2x is 2x, minus into minus plus, plus into plus is plus, 2x whole 2x into x square is 2x cube, 2x cube get cancelled, right. In the denominator, this is 1 minus x square whole square plus 1 plus x square whole square is taken as it is, 2x plus 2x, it is 4x divided by this. Again it is simplified according to a minus b whole square into a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. A square is 1 square, x to the power of 2 whole square, x to the power of 4 minus 2 into 1 into x square, that is 2x square. Here also 1 plus x square whole square plus 2 into 1 into x square is 2x square, 2x square get cancelled. Finally, we will have 1 plus 1, that is 2, x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 4 is 2x to the power of 4. Again I can take 2 common, that is 2 into 1 plus x to the power of 4, 2 is cancelled with the numerator 4, that will be 2 remains, 2x divided by 1 plus x to the power of 4. This is root of function, you take 1 by 2 root of function into d by dx of function. Differentiation of this, if you take, it is cosecant of function, differentiation of cosecant of function is what, minus cosecant of function into cot of function into d by dx of function. So, other things are taken as it is, you differentiate only this 2x plus 5, 2x differentiation is 2 into 1 plus x, 5 differentiation is 0. It is e to the power of function, again it is more terms included here, secant to the power of 5 of function. What is function? E to the power of sin inverse x. Basically it is taken as secant of e to the power of sin inverse x whole to the power of 5. It is of what form? Function to the power of n, n into function to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of function. Here 5 minus 1 become 4. You just concentrate this secant function, differentiation of secant x is secant x into tan x. Therefore, it is secant of function into tan of function into d by dx of function. What is function? E to the power of sin x. Then we concentrate this, other things are same, all these things are same, we have to concentrate only this e to the power of function. E to the power of function is what? E to the power of function into d by dx of function. Finally, function sin x is differentiated, that is cos x, the other things are taken as it is. It is tan inverse of function. We can go by substitution method according to submultiple angle formula. 1 minus cos A is taken as 2 sin square A by 2, 1 plus cos A is taken as 2 cos square A by 2. By substitution you can reduce it very simple form, it will be easy to differentiate, right. As we know that 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2 and 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x by 2. If it is substituted inside the root, they become what? 2 cos square x by 2 divided by 2 sin square x by 2. Then it is cos square by sin square is what? It is tan square. Cos square by sin square is cot square. Then we can take it as this square root cancel, tan inverse of cot x by 2, tan inverse of cot can be taken as, cot is taken as tan 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta is always equal to cot theta. Therefore, according to that, so my intention is to take it in terms of tan, then tan inverse of tan goes, that is why I have taken in terms of tan inverse of tan, this is 90 minus theta. So, tan inverse of tan goes, it will become what? Pi by 2 minus x divided by 2. Now, you can differentiate. Constant differentiation is what? It is differentiation is 0 minus x by 2 differentiation is what? X differentiation 1 minus 1 by 2. It is root of tan of root of 1 plus x square. Functions included, this is one function 1 plus x square, then root of another function, tan of another function, like this we can have function of function. There, how to differentiate this? Basically you take it as root of function, root function differentiation is 1 by 2 root of function, 1 by 2 root of this whole thing we have to take, that is tan of root of 1 plus x square into d by dx of this tan of root of 1 plus x square. This is taken as it is, this is treated as what? Tan of root of 1 plus x square is treated as tan of function. Tan function differentiation, it is secant square, tan differentiation is secant square of function into d by dx of function. What is function? Function is root of 1 plus x square. Again this secant square root of 1 plus x square is taken numerator and denominator is 2 root of tan root of 1 plus x square. Differentiation of this is treated as what? Root function. Root function is 1 by 2 root of function into d by dx of function. Function is 1 plus x square. In the next step, differentiation of 1 is 0 plus differentiation of x square is 2x. The 2 get cancelled. We will reduce as to this form. Say 1 by 2 root f x, this 2 into 2 is taken 4. Here we have 2 and this is 2, we will be having 4. Here differentiation of that will be 2x. This 2 is cancelled with this 2, that you will have 4 and 2 here, or either in the numerator in the there itself you can cancel x into secant square root of 1 plus x square divided by 2 root of tan of 1 plus x square into 1 by root of 1 plus x square. It is again u into v into w form. This is again product rule, log of root of sin of x. log of function, if you take log of function and root of function and sine of function and root of function, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 functions included. So, as we read, according to that we have to differentiate. It is read as log of function. So, log function means what? Differentiation of log function is 1 by function, 1 by function, except log we have to write other things, that is root of sine of root x into d by dx of root of sine of root x. The next step, it is root function. We have to go according to root function. Root function differentiation is what? Root function differentiation 1 divided by 2 root of function into d by dx of function. For the next step, what is function? Sine of root x. That is, here while differentiating this sine root x, sine of function is what? Function is root x. Sine differentiation is cot root x into differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Finally, so this 2 and sine root of sine root x is taken as square, this square and root cancel, square and root get cancel. Finally, cos root x divided by 2 sine root x into 1 by 2 root x. Cos root x by sine root x is cot root x divided by 2 into 2 4 root x, it is taken. Next, the important topic, it is implicit function. What is meaning of implicit? Till what we discussed, they are all explicit function. Why it is called explicit function? There we used to write y in terms of x. We used to write in terms of x only. Y is equal to f of x. It is called what? Explicit. It is explicit function. What is meaning of implicit? One or more variables are combinedly expressed. That type of functions are called implicit function. See, the function of the type f of x comma y is equal to 0. The function of the type f of x comma y is equal to 0 is called implicit function. Here both x and y will be expressed as a combination, that is called said to be y is a implicit function of x. You see the example, x square plus y square is equal to xy plus 3x. There are two terms of y, so we cannot reduce it to only for y, that is why it is said to be implicit function. Next, xy is equal to sine of xy, x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y minus y is equal to 0. You remember, if both x and y are combinedly given, such functions are said to be implicit function whose differentiation is carried out, that is called differentiation of implicit function. So, how to differentiate the implicit functions? So, the implicit function is to be differentiated with respect to x and y, then it is to be solved for dy by dx. I will show later on how to get dy by dx. Let me give some basic ideas. So, in implicit function both x terms and y terms will be there. How to differentiate x term, that is already known. How to differentiate y term, that is important, right. Here I am showing if the y terms comes in the equation, how they are to be differentiated. You take, as we know that differentiation of x square is what? It is 2x. Suppose if we have a y square, the y square or any y term, they are to be differentiated similar to x term only. Then we have to write d by dx of y, that is only the difference. You check it here, as x square differentiation is 2x. According to that, y square differentiation is what? Y square is differentiated with respect to y, that is 2y, but y is again differentiated, there we have to write dy by dx. Finally, it is what? Y square differentiation is 2y into dy by dx. That means, we have to differentiate all the y terms similar to x terms, and finally, we need to write dy by dx, that is differentiating y terms. You check the next one, differentiation of sin x is what? Cos x. Suppose if we have sin y, how to differentiate it? Differentiation of sin is what? Cos y, it is a y term, therefore, into dy by dx. Differentiation of tan x is what? Secant square x. Therefore, differentiation of tan y is what? It is secant square y into dy by dx. Differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x. Suppose if we have log y, how to differentiate it? It is 1 by y into dy by dx. Differentiation of sin inverse x is known, it is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Suppose if we have sin inverse y, how to get derivative? It is 1 by root of 1 minus y square into d by dx of y. So, at the end of differentiation of the y term, we have to write dy by dx. E power x differentiation is e power x. For e power y, its derivative is what? E power y into d by dx of y. For root x, we have to write 1 by 2 root x, correct? According to that, differentiation of root y is what? 1 by 2 root of y into d by dx of y. So, based on this idea, let me give few examples how to take the differentiation of implicit function. The first function is what? X square plus y square minus xy is equal to 0. There we have to get dy by dx. You first differentiate all x and y terms simultaneously, as we know that differentiation of x terms. Similar to x terms, differentiate all y terms, but at the end we have to write dy by dx. Then if you come across more than one dy by dx term, you make together at left hand side or right hand side, and the other terms which do not have dy by dx, you take it to the other side. Then you take dy by dx common and simplify for dy by dx. You see the example, y is if x square plus y square minus xy is equal to 0, right? As we know that differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of x square is 2x. What is differentiation of y square? Differentiation of y square is 2y into dy by dx, correct, minus x into y. Here we have product of x y. How to differentiate product of the functions? No doubt we have to use product rule. Then inside the bracket use product rule, that is u is x, v is y. Product rule is what? First function into x into d by dx of second function is y, plus second function into d by dx of first, right, minus into plus minus 1 into x is x, differentiation of y is dy by dx, plus into minus minus, here we have to put bracket, otherwise you can take multiplication, y into differentiation of x is what? 1. Then you take all dy by dx terms to left side, one is 2y dy by dx, next minus x dy by dx, other side we have to write minus 2x minus y, minus 2x minus y, right. Take dy by dx common. So, we have dy by dx terms, in that you take dy by dx common. So, therefore, 2y minus x remains is equal to minus 2x minus y. Finally, therefore, dy by dx reduces to the producted term goes to denominator of right side. Therefore, minus 2x minus y divided by 2y minus x. Here minus is common, you can take it outside, right. Check next one, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Find dy by dx. So, x square by a square plus y square by b square is 1, right. It is coefficient, we have to take it aside. Take 1 by, it can be taken like this, 1 by a square into x square. Similarly, this is taken 1 by b square into y square. So, keep 1 by a square as it is, differentiate x square, this is 2x. Keep 1 by b square as it is, differentiation of y square is 2y into dy by dx. Then you transfer this is to other side, it will become what, 2y by b square dy by dx is equal to minus 2x by a square, is it right? Then you take dy by dx is equal to minus 2x by a square whole divided by this, whole divided by what, 2y by b square. You take cross multiplication, this denominator is taken its reciprocal when it is taken to numerator. That is why minus 2x by a square divided by, if it is become product, it becomes what, numerator first, numerator of denominator and denominator goes to numerator, b square divided by 2y, this 2 get cancelled, finally minus x b square divided by y a square. X cube plus y cube is equal to 3hxy, x cube plus y cube is equal to 3hxy. We know differentiation of x term and y term, according to that you differentiate it. Differentiation of x cube is what, 3x square, plus differentiation of y cube is what, 3y square into dy by dx, because it is a y term, is equal to, how to differentiate this, it is product. You do one thing, this up to x is taken as u and this is taken as v, product rule, or you take 3h outside and by making u as x and v as y, 3h is taken outside, keep x into d by dx of y plus y into d by dx of x, right, is equal to 3h. Differentiation of y, it will remains dy by dx plus y into differentiation of x is 1. Next you remove this bracket, by removing that bracket 3h x dy by dx plus 3h y. Then you collect all dy by dx term together, say 3y dy by dx minus, you transfer it to this side, minus 3hx dy by dx is equal to 3hy minus of 3x square. As I mentioned earlier, you take dy by dx common, I have taken dy by dx common, remains is what, 3y square minus 3hx is equal to 3hy minus 3x square. Therefore, finally dy by dx is 3hy minus 3x square divided by it, this whole term goes to denominator of other side, right. In both numerator and denominator we have 3 common, 3 is taken outside, it is cancelled, that is the dy by dx. So, differentiation of implicit function, it is another type of differentiation. Here we have to differentiate all x terms and y terms simultaneously. We know the differentiation of x term, similar to that we have to differentiate y terms, but at the end of the differentiation of y terms similar to x terms we have to put dy by dx, then all dy by dx terms taken together at left side, other terms to the right side, then you take dy by dx common and whatever the product you will get, that is to be sent to denominator of other side. Let me discuss some other problems based on this implicit function in the next class. Thank you very much.